this video, I will show you how to save stores in DoorDash. So first of all, open up your DoorDash app, and from here, navigate to the Me tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, you need to click on Settings, so let's do that. And from our settings, we can see down below that we have Save Stores. And when we click on Save Stores in here, we see that we do not have anyone at the moment because I'm going to show you how you can save them. So you can also see this Browse Stores button in here, but you can also go to your home page. And let's say you want something to eat, and let's say you want a pizza. You click on Pizza, and then you see Focelli Pizza at the top. And if you want to favorite this store, then you're just going to click on this heart icon at the right. So let's do that. And right now we have saved our first store, and now we can just go back to our saved stores where we were just before. And then you can see in here that the Focelli Pizza is now one of our favorite stores, and now we can easily access this store every time. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.